concrete question is that there are not only 6,000 employees who will be rehabilitated back to Kashmir. What about the entire Kashmiri Pandit community when it will be rehabilitated back with safety and dignity? We are not getting the answer to this question with clarity. What about entire Kashmiri community when it will be rehabilitated back to save its culture? Thank you.
I am really surprised at the question because as a person who's part of this country, you're free to move wherever you wish to move. Nobody is stopping people from going back to their homes, and whatever else is needed will be provided. I mean, Corona happened in Delhi. A lot of migrant workers come from Bihar, Jharkhand, and wherever. They were here, and whatever was the treatment meted out to them by Delhi government, they all went back, and they have all come back. Where is the problem? I think people also have to take the call where they wish to be. Government is doing its bit. Government is doing its bit.
Is it for Kashmir?
Sir, if
Kashmir, is it possible for Kashmiri Pandits to move back to Kashmir?
That's why I'm surprised at the question, because so far as government is concerned, government is dedicated and continues to be with the people of India, whether it's Kashmir, Bihar, Delhi, UP, wherever. And some initiative needs to come from people themselves also. So it's government and people together. So a lot of people I know who are settled across, and they are settled well. So while on one side their heart may be pining for their original place of habitation, but they are very happy wherever they are living also, and they don't want to be disturbed. Both things have to be taken a call, and people need to take some private initiative as well. And whatever help you need from the government, please ask the government. Government will provide that too.
Sorry, madam. Yeah, you have no concept of what Kashmiri people suffer. It's a migration. It's a migration. We have to kick out Kashmir. You have no concept. You don't compare them with COVID disease and all
I would request you to end this here, and we will go. Yeah, we will go this.
No, this is. They don't know anything about this.
Shakti ji, I think minister has not replied the question properly. She doesn't know it was a genocide. This is Dilip Kachru. This was a genocide. She is comparing genocide